guys up today. We're going to talk about the top 5 movies of all times. So basically, we're going to talk about the top 5 movies for this summer and what movies should you go see that I am recommending for you to go see. Not of all that I have not seen these movies, but they looked pretty good, and I'm going to recommend you go check them out as well. So, my number 1 movie of all time, we all love these guys. Love this superhero movie, and they just did a whole entire ride park at Disneyland. Yes, I'm talking about The Incredibles 2 as rated above all movies for the summer. Is a must-go-see movie. It rated up to 87% on Movie Ranker. And it is one of the top movies that you must go see of all times. Honestly, I'm going to wait until it comes on DVD and then I can sit in my pajamas and just watch it all over every hour. Anyway. And my number 2 movie is at 54%. You know, love dinosaurs and love Hawaii and volcanoes and all this craziness. We all love action movies and dinosaurs and volcanoes, eruptions and fire explosions and anyway, and we all love Chris Pratt. Yes, Chris Pratt. My number 2 pick of all time is the Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. It's basically, it's not like the other Jurassic films, but it's a little bit different. I would definitely go see. I'm not gonna spoil it. Not doing any spoils on the I know a lot of people hate doing spoils alerts, and yeah. That's what I'm basically doing. Okay. And it rated number 54% of all time to go see it of all action movies besides The Incredibles 2. But I'm just saying, if you don't want an animation movie, you go see Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Okay? And number 3, my grandmother would love this. I know my grandmother would love this movie. The King has rated number 3, must go see. It's basically a documentary on Elvis Presley and his life. I know my grandmother, if she was alive today, she would definitely love to see this. It rated 79% of all times. I think I would go see it. Of all the movies, I would go see it, definitely. Yeah, definitely check that out. Yes. And number 4 movies of all times, you must check out Ocean's 8. Ocean's 8 is basically with Sandra Bullock. I know Sandra Bullock's in there. I can't remember the other 2 actresses. But basically, it's basically just like the other ones, but it's more as what females can do in those action type films. Like, it was just like the Ocean's 11 and Ocean's 12, Ocean's 13. It's basically basically like those movies, but it was all women that come together and solve the crime or a mystery or whatever they do in those kind of movies. I would definitely recommend it. It rated 63% and it got number 4 on the top 5 movies of all times. And number 5, and it got tied with Ocean's 8, Boundaries. It's basically, Boundaries is basically, I think it's a comedy. I would have to check my notes on that one. But it's rated 63% and it's at the same level as Ocean's 8. Yeah, basically. So that is pretty much it for the top 5 must-see summer movies. I will definitely check out all these movies out. I'm going to check all these movies out. So should you. Definitely like the King movie. Yeah, basically. So hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And make sure to subscribe for all over the internet of At 70s Live. And see ya. Peace. Bye. by and subscribe.